In the last 2 decades, passive investing has become a very popular investment style. Nowadays, thousands of passive funds are available for investors. These passive funds invest in a very straightforward way. They simply replicate well-known indices like the S&P 500 or the MSCI World by buying all the constituent stocks and mirroring the index weighting. There are different reasons to consider an alternative approach. The first reason is that passive investors' performance lags that of the index after costs. The second reason is that most passive investing do not take sustainability into account, and if they do, it can be to a limited extent. And finally, it fails to take advantage of 40 years of academic research on building an efficient portfolio. How can these issues be tackled? Since 2004, Robeco has managed a distinctive strategy that takes the concept of passive investing but goes a step further. Robeco Enhanced Indexing. The answer of building a better index lies in the academic literature on stock selection. According to academics, stocks with cheaper valuations outperform the market over time, just like stocks of high-quality companies do. Also, past winners, or so-called momentum stocks, provide better returns than the average index constituent. Our quantitative research department was formally established in the late 1980s, and the first stock selection models led to the development of an enhanced index in the early 1990s. Since 1994, we've been using stock-specific characteristics, also known as factors, to identify those index stocks that are well-positioned to outperform. We enhance these indices by giving the best-positioned constituents a slightly higher weight in our enhanced indexing portfolio than they have in the benchmark. And the worst-positioned stocks in an index? Well, they're given a lower weighting in our enhanced indexing portfolio than their benchmark weight. All this is done in a way that the enhanced indexing strategy has similar sector and country weights as its benchmark. This enhanced indexing portfolio offers passive investors access to a diversified, transparent, and low-cost equity portfolio, and has generated a higher annualized net return for developed markets since inception in 2004. And this performance is even stronger for emerging markets since inception in 2007. For those investors that wish to create a superior enhanced indexing portfolio, we can even go one step further by adjusting the weights of the index constituents based on results of the sustainability assessment. So we can offer you a solution to meet your requirements. Whether you want an enhanced indexing portfolio created from a bespoke universe of stocks, or to adjust the portfolio's risk exposure or level of sustainability integration. Since 2004, we have proven that we can offer a smarter alternative for passive investors. Robeco Enhanced Indexing. If you'd like to find out what our enhanced indexing approach can do for you, read more on www.robeco.com/enhanced-indexing.